Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Nate. I know it looks like I just woke up, whatever. Well, today we're driving the SAAB like 35 miles. I gotta get to work, and this is the car I'm taking. Someone's interested in coming to look at the car to see how it runs and see if they're interested in buying it or making a trade for it. So anyway, gotta take it to work. Really hope it makes it, and this is gonna be kind of the 40-mile trip. Now, I'm already on the highway. You can probably see my road's so bumpy it's hard to film on. And the sun, yeah, that was in my eyes. So that kind of sucks. Anyway, cruising down the highway right now. Beautiful summer day. It's kind of cold outside actually. It's like 52 degrees in the 30th of August. And guys, there's already been snow in the mountains. Like, what is up with that? Alright, we got a turn here, so. Beautiful summer day. Sun's right there. It's early. It's 7 in the morning, guys. Going to work. Loving every second of it. Put the car in sports mode, guys, just for you. Oh, man. When I do that, guys, I don't want to sell this car. You know, living in Wyoming, it's all wide open space. There's no trees. There's nothing. There's deer. There's animals. This road's famous for that. But what do we got here? Oh, we got a Subaru Outback. Oh my goodness, guys, there's nothing here. It's wide open. It's beautiful though. I love driving in the early morning hours because you just get some of the best views of the basin. I mean, check out there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is just gorgeous. That's driving in Wyoming for you. Nothing for miles and miles and miles, but guys, it is so beautiful. And of course, we've got all the smoke setting in from the wildfires. Rained a couple of days ago, took out all that smoke. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous. You can see the snow up on the mountains. We're in August, alright, but there's snow up on the mountains. Guys, look at this road that I'm driving on right now. It just snakes around. I don't know if you can see it up there in the distance. Beautiful, speed limit 70. Like I said, it's wide open, so if you're gonna go 70, well, that's on you. If you look, I am actually not really speeding right now because, yeah, speeding tickets, they're bad. Did I ever mention that I love driving? It's like my favorite thing to do. Guys, this car is running great today. It's a beautiful morning. I'm loving it. I'm gonna keep my eyes on the road. We'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're like 15, 20 miles into the journey. Did I ever tell you that I love driving this car? Anyways. Yeah, so this road's like super famous for deer. You definitely don't want to drive out here at night if you can help it. And, well, you definitely don't want to drive your car out here at night. Definitely, everyone around here has pickup trucks, and that's one of the biggest reasons why, yeah, you'll start to understand why we have trucks in Wyoming and why we put big grill guards on our trucks in Wyoming. That's more to come. We'll see you guys in a bit. So the car's running good. I'm just cruising here. Probably should slow down a bit in case you pass a cop. Just chilling, just listening to some music. Got the radio playing. Man, driving a SAAB is just amazing. I mean, I love driving in general, whatever it is, but this car is something special. What do you see in Wyoming, guys? What do you see in Wyoming, guys? Well, of course, wildlife. See a bunch of nothing. Over here we got some hay, lots of crops, and it's time to turn to head down for the last like 15-mile stretch into Powell. We got us like 12 miles to Garland, and then we're gonna be pulling up into the city. I say city, guys, but really, yeah, well, I live in Wyoming, what can I say? Anyway, here we go. Oh my goodness, beautiful day. Beautiful day, guys. Chance of rain, but hey, it's looking good. Oh my goodness, there's someone walking. Right there they're walking. Lots of cars at this house. So of course, guys, we've got like 5 miles to go till we hit Garland to get into Powell a little bit later. Of course, you got beautiful Heart Mountain in the background there. It's smoky, it's hard to see, but it is just a great day outside. I don't know how many times I've said that in this video. I'm probably going to title it something like Great Day. I actually get to drive my SAAB. So apparently, guys, I'm stupid. I can't drive and video at the same time. So I've put the SAAB on cruise control at 65. It's so slow. But that's besides the fact. Look, there's some corn. So the thing that kind of sucks on the way to Powell is that you come out of Burlington, you start everything off great, open highway, winding roads, 70 miles an hour. You pull off into the highway that takes you to Garland, 65 miles an hour. Of course, Garland's like this tiny little, not even a town type thing that you drive around this long curve at 30 miles an hour. And then you get to pick it up again to a whopping speed limit of 50 miles an hour all the way into Powell, but it's only like another 6 miles. I don't know, it's a good thing. I mean, there's lots of, I'm already going 50, slowing back down. There's lots of cars, there's lots of people around, so lots of tractors. I mean, it's like a farming. Hey, now we can go 50. Go 50. Oh, a little surge in the SAAB. That's the first cough it's had. So that little hiccup does kind of have me worried. The SAAB was surging a bit there. Typically what happens is that I'll get into a town, I'll get off the highway. I don't think it'll happen today because it's too cool outside, but the car will overheat. It doesn't really overheat like the motor, the engine itself, it doesn't overheat, but some part on the car gets hot and then it stalls out and it quits. And it leaves me stranded for like an hour. Hopefully I can get to my destination without that happening because my parents are behind me like probably another 20 minutes. So I mean, they're just barely leaving, but yeah, I don't think that that's going to happen to me today though. Another reason I love living in Wyoming, guys, beautiful, big, wide open skies. You can see the sunset, the sunrises, everything. It's just absolutely gorgeous. But anyways, we're getting into Powell. Powell's kind of a particular and very strange town when it comes to driving and rules. So I'm going to put my eyes on the road, really pay attention to my speed limit. The use of any handheld device while driving is prohibited. So this is going to be the end of my video. I'm like less than a mile away. If you guys want to see more vlog style videos like this, please hit up the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Like I said, I've got lots of great content to come on the F-150. I'm pretty much done creating content with this particular car with the 9.5. I'm hoping I'm going to be selling it soon. Again, hit up the comment section if you want to see more of these vlog style videos. Let me know what you guys want to see. Please like this video, support my channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and I think that's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Next level.